You're watching Al's PC Repair. And listen, don't forget to subscribe. Just subscribe before the video starts and turn on all notifications. Alright? Boom. Alright guys, we're back with another video, and today we are mounting two TVs. We are mounting a 65-inch Vizio TV, and we also be mounting another TV. But anyhow, let me explain what happened. I came to this customer house for a different reason, for something else, and while I was there, I noticed that the TV that she had mounted prior me coming there, it was falling off the wall. And I was like, yo, your TV is falling off the wall. And she's like, what do you mean? I said, look, sorry I didn't have no picture to show you, but the TV was literally hanging by a thread. Yeah? So I said to her, hey, you need to take that TV down and remount it. And I said, who mounted that TV? And she was like, our friend or something like that. I said, well, I think you should get it remounted. Anyway, she called me and told me to come back to mount the TV. I took it off the wall, that way it won't fall, because, guys, listen, having a TV hanging like that, that's about to fall, it could damage the TV. Well, it's gonna damage the TV. And just imagine if there's a baby playing underneath the TV and the TV fall on the baby. Like, that's a big TV, you know what I mean? So anyway, she called me back a few weeks later. I went there, and there I am. If you look to the left, you see that mount right there on the wall, all the way top left corner? That's where the old TV was mounted, and it wasn't good. It wasn't good at all. So she called Al's PC Repair and Electronic Services, and here we are, mounting the new big TV on the wall. Yes, guys, we're mounting the TV the right and proper way. And as you know, I love to clean up after myself. I don't leave mess. I don't like mess. Yeah. I have OCD, whatever that means. OCD. What that mean, guys? I don't know. But people always use that term. So I'm using it. Whatever. So here I am, Hercules. Put the TV up. Boom. Bam. That's it. Nice and easy. Guys, the wires are right there because she didn't want to pay extra to get the outlet installed on the back, but it's okay. We work with your budget, you know what I mean? And this is the second TV in the master bedroom. And again, this was mounted incorrectly, so we're gonna redo this also. You know what I mean? It's gonna be nice and short, quick and easy. That's the wall where we're gonna put it on. And again, that was mounted in the right corner. You see that little patch, that white patch in the right corner? Yeah, that's where it was mounted first. So we're redoing it, put it in the center of the wall the right way. You know what I mean? Yeah. It wouldn't. All right, we all done. Guys, let me know what you think in the comments. But would you pay extra to get those wires hidden? Leave a comment and let me know. I'm out.